Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Nvidia control panel and choosing the display you want to tune. Once done, navigate to Display and select Adjust Desktop Color Settings so you can override application defaults. Make sure to pick the correct monitor in the top selector. This prevents changing the wrong panel. You will see options for brightness, contrast, gamma, digital vibrance, and hue. Use them in small steps so you can compare before and after. You now adjust individual controls to reach the look you want. Start with gamma for midtones, then tweak brightness and contrast to preserve shadow and highlight detail. Once you have a base, raise digital vibrance slightly to boost perceived color saturation without altering color balance. Use the desktop preview and click Apply to compare changes. Revert if skin tones or whites shift unnaturally. If available, switch between color profiles to test different presets and lock in the one that matches your workflow. You finish by fine-tuning white balance with the red, green, and blue sliders to remove color casts. Small adjustments make big differences, so adjust a few points at a time. Once satisfied, save the custom profile so you can restore it quickly. Make sure color settings persist after reboot. If colors look wrong, update the Nvidia driver, check cable type, display port/HDMI, or reset the control panel to defaults. One key tip: test with neutral reference images to confirm accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.